Alright, this is Coquina Key, building 13. And we are on the north side of the building. And we're cameraing the line under the building that we just jet cleaned. Found a whole lot of debris in here. We had to use a warthog head. Probably went through about 550, maybe 600 gallons of water. We had to scrub it a few different times. But so far, it looks awesome. Holding a tiny bit of water right there, which the camera head is very small. I can put an adapter on it, which will get it up off the bottom of the pipe, but I like to run it this way so I can see the bottom. That is a very, 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 very small amount of water. Still have some quote-unquote fog in here from where we were jetting, but I can clearly see the pipe. It's nice and round. No big old monster chunks of cast iron in here anymore. So I'm on the north side and I'm cameraing towards the south side. We jetted from the south side to the north side so that we could pull all the debris out of the south side. I'll go slower on the way back. I just want to see if I can make it all the way. So we have some tiny little debris here. I'm going to go ahead and get the jetter back up here and pull that stuff on out. Alright, so there's our jetter in the pipe. We're going to go ahead and pull back real slow and get this last little bit clean. Alright, so that's 110. I can't push it any further. That looks good. So we had to make a couple passes right there, right at the end. All this looks beautiful. Alright, so now we can record all the way back. You see how nice and pretty and clean and clear everything is? For cast iron, this cleaned up really, really, really nice. So any kind of flushable wipes in here that's got such a long way to travel, they easily get hung up on those cast iron fittings. So no kind of wipes whatsoever. Even though the pipe's been cleaned, they don't break down like toilet paper. They're almost like dryer sheets. So they will still get hung up on the fittings. Alright, we are coming back out to clean out. End of the run on the north side. Everything's beautiful, and I'll conclude the video.